You are welcome back to my channel. This is Master Barbers Comedy TV, Master Barbers Hotel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe before we go. Don't forget to subscribe to Master Barbers Hotel. This is a tutorial on how to use machine oil to sharpen clipper blade on the super hard manual sharpening stone. Supposed to start taking off the blade and cleaning of the surface of the stone. That is number one thing. Now, this is the clipper blade I want to sharpen. I want to show you first before I put the masking tape at the back. Can you see the inner surface of it? Yeah, it has been used all. You see the back of it. This is starless clipper blade untitled. So I want to use machine oil to sharpen this clipper blade professionally, logically, technically. Okay, can you see in this way? Let me put this one down. Then let me show you the upper clipper blade. Can you see the inner surface of the upper clipper blade? When they have used it all, they have used it, I want to resharpen it now. So that is why I'm telling the learners. If you know you really want to understand this work very well, you want to learn it, and you want to know it perfectly, correctly, logically, technically. Okay, so that I can be able to use any different type of stone to sharpen different type of clipper blade, variety type of clipper blade in the barber or sharpening workshop. Yeah, you need to follow my tutorial step by step. Can you see the inner part of it? Let me put it on the stone. Then the next thing to do is to clean the back of the blade. You see the way I'm cleaning the back. Clean the back. You check very well where I want to apply it at the back. You see like this. You press it very well so that it will attach to the back of the blade very well. You see it. And before we go further, you know, I have to say study of the inner surface position. I want to put it after the masking tape because of the oil on this surface. You need to put them down this way so that the masking tape at the back for bleeding will not be touching the oil. Yeah. You know, before I used to tell you that we need to sharpen. We need to check the surface of our super hard manual sharpening stone. We need to check it. I want to show you just the way you need to make surveillance to gauge the surface of your stone. You see the way I put it, and you now study the inner, the under the scale rule on top of the topmost of the super manual sharpening stone. In this way, you gauge this side, you gauge here too. Then you gauge this side, you gauge here, you gauge the center, you gauge here, you gauge here. Then you gauge diagonal of it in this way. You see it in this way. Then you gauge it in this way. Can you see it? Those are the areas you need to gauge it. Once you look under, if there is any space under, which means your stone is not somehow flattened, so at least can be sharpened clipper correctly, logically, technically. Okay. Can you see it? Then before we go further, you can do this one in this stage or after this one. You study the inner surface of the clipper blade you want to sharpen. Can you see the inner surface? After watching it like this, you now clean. You clean the inner surface very well. Let us see what is inside. Can you see it in this way? Let me fashion it out in a way that you can be able to see it. Yeah, very nice like this. You can see it. You can see stainless. This clipper blade was sharpened not too. It is not too long. I sharpen it. I just use it like 1 or 2 days, and I want to resharpen it. You understand? That is what I'm trying to tell you. You who are trying, the learners who are trying to become professional, who are trying to become master. Don't use your clipper blade to rotting before you be sharpening, so that you will not be giving you headache. Surface of our stone. You see the way I'm putting it. This is oil. This is oil. You now use your finger to spread. This is machine oil. You spread it. You see the way I'm spreading the oil to cover the whole surface of the stone. You know this oil is thicker than the kerosene. You see the first time I first apply. This is the second time now. You see it in this way. So you need to spread it again to make sure it's covered the whole surface and it's plenty a little, so that the blade can be able to get slippery. It can be able to draw well on the surface of it. As I'm saying, you see I use my left finger again to pick the rank at clear. You see the way I'm doing it? So you need to follow everything. You do it step by step. This hand should not allow you to be touching this protector line. This angle 0, this is angle 180, this angle 0, this angle 180. Here now when you put this one and apply this angle of 90 degree, this down one, the one I'm touching now is angle 270 degree. So when you now see the way I want to place this one now, this one is angle 90 degree. You see it in this way, it's angle 90 degree. When you now divide that from here to here is angle 90, from here to here is angle 90, from here to here is angle 90. Now you now divide it into 2, this angle 45 degrees. I'm managed to get my angle of 45 degree position the upper and the bottom clipper blade. You see it? So I still refresh our base so that we should not forget. Yeah, the oil is getting dry because of the explanation I'm doing. You need to apply it again. You cannot do sharpening without applying your treatment very well. I'm using this one to remind your brain and to let you know exactly that when you want to sharpen the clipper blade, then something now delay you from going straight into the stone where you have treated the surface. The next thing is to restrict the surface again. So everything has shined across and total flatness is shown. From here looking at the inner surface, the total flatness of the surface is shown and the total shining across is shown. So which means you are sharpening this one very well. We need to drop it and pick the bottom clipper blade. You see the way I push it down? This is why I push it down in this way is that when we check, after sharpening the bottom clipper blade now, we now check and we discover that it remains a little to be sharpened again. This oil, the back of the blade will not be staying with the oil, so we can still go another one again. You see the surface before I start the sharpening. You can see the surface before I start the sharpening. You see it? Some part is down, some part is up. But before you do anything, you must have to treat the surface of your stone very well. You see it in this way, the way I'm treating the surface. It's very, very important. This is machine oil. You can use machine oil to sharpen your clipper blade logically, technically, professionally, okay, without any injury, and you are going to get the best of the sharpening there. Yeah, you see the way I put the angle of 45 degree. How I managed to derive the angle of 45 degree. I'll show you from the upper clipper blade. So I'm starting my work from here again. I'm starting from here to and 10 times from the center here. After I come to the center here, then after I will repeat here 2 times. I will now come to the front here for the second time. I'll come to the front here for the second time. So I'll now check. If it remains again, I know where to place my thumb, and I'll show you before I go. Let us go starting from the center. That's, I'm starting with the angle of 45 degree. I'm starting from the upper side. I'll go to and 10 times. That is 2 and 10 times for this side. Yeah, let us go for this side too. That is 2 and 10 times for this side. Let me first show you before I clean the surface. Let me first show you the way it is. Can you see it? Now let me clean the inner surface and the entire body of the blade so that I can check the inside and see how the surface look like. Can you see the inner surface? 2 and 10 times for here. That is 2 and 10 times for here. You see the treatment has split at the back of the blade. Can you see it here? Can you see it here? You need to take time to clean it. See the way I just take start to clean. Can you see it in that way? Then we go for the second time. Clean the second time for here too. That is to and fro. Let me show you the surface before I first clean it. Let me show you how the surface look like after the lifting off from the surface of the super hard manual sharpening. So let us now clean the surface and see now. Let us watch carefully. Let us watch carefully and see. Let us watch carefully. Let us watch carefully and study the inner surface now. Yeah, you don't need to deceive ourselves. When you know how to design your stone very well, and you know how to move your thumb very well on top of the super hard manual sharpening stone, yeah, stone is very, very easy to use. And I'll now put the hopper. This is the hopper clipper blade. Now put it on top of the bottom clipper blade for testing. You see the way I'm testing it. That is free hand testing styling mode formed by Master Barbers or the Master Barbers Comedy TV. So as I'm doing it at this way, I'm using the inner surface of the upper clipper blade in the front and the back. Yeah, to face directly the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade in the front and the back. Now the scrubbing from side to side, then from front to the back. That is to gap on the gap from one side to the other. We now do it in that way. When we now remove the upper clipper blade, we now check the inner surfaces of the upper and the bottom clipper blade, the front and the back. We can see the carbon from the left hand side to the left hand side, from the left hand side to the left hand side, which means the clipper blade is sharpening correctly, and it can work like new clipper blade or even better than the new clipper blade. Yeah, which means sharpening is a real profession. Let us check now and see. Can you see what I'm saying? Can you see the carbon from the left hand side to the right hand side of the upper and the bottom clipper blade for the back and the front? You can see it. So this clipper blade is sharpening correctly.